Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most ambitious and futuristic military aviation projects in the world, the FCAS fighter jet. The Future Combat Air System, FCAS, also known as SCAF, Système de Combat Aérien du Futur in French, is a European sixth-generation air combat program spearheaded by France, Germany, and Spain. It is set to redefine the way nations think about aerial warfare, with its combination of manned and unmanned platforms, cutting-edge stealth technology, and highly integrated network systems. This isn't just about creating a new fighter jet, it's about developing an entire air combat ecosystem for the future battlefield. The centerpiece of FCAS is the new generation fighter NGF, which will eventually replace current platforms like the French Rafale and the German Eurofighter Typhoon. The NGF is being developed by Dassault Aviation of France as the lead contractor, with Airbus taking responsibility for many of the critical components including systems integration, sensors, and support for accompanying platforms like drones and swarming UAVs. The NGF itself is designed to be a stealthy, highly maneuverable aircraft with a next-level sensor suite and advanced weapons capabilities. It's not just an evolution of previous fighters, it's a revolutionary step forward in military aviation. From what we know so far, the NGF will have a sleek, tailless delta wing design optimized for stealth. It will incorporate a mix of radar-absorbent materials and design elements to drastically reduce its radar cross-section, making it extremely difficult for adversaries to detect or lock onto it. The cockpit will feature augmented reality and artificial intelligence assistance to reduce the cognitive burden on the pilot and help in managing complex battlefield information. Advanced avionics, including a wide-band radar, multispectral sensors, and distributed aperture systems, will provide 360-degree awareness of the combat environment. But the FCAS project isn't limited to just the NGF aircraft. One of its standout features is the inclusion of remote carriers, essentially unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) that will fly in formation with the main fighter jet and act as force multipliers. These drones can perform a wide range of missions, including electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and even offensive strikes. The remote carriers will communicate in real time with the NGF, forming what is known as a system of systems. This allows for distributed operations where different units on the battlefield share information instantly, increasing situational awareness and operational effectiveness. Another critical part of the FCAS system is the Air Combat Cloud, a centralized and secure data-sharing environment that connects all components of the combat air system. This cloud will ensure that real-time data from the NGF, drones, satellites, ground control, and other aircraft is shared and processed using artificial intelligence. The idea is to give pilots and commanders a live, comprehensive picture of the battlefield so they can make faster and more accurate decisions. This level of interconnectivity and AI integration marks a huge departure from how air forces operate today. The propulsion system is also being reimagined. Safran from France and MTU Aero Engines from Germany are collaborating to build a next-gen engine capable of delivering high thrust while being efficient and stealthy. The new engine will need to support supercruise, sustained supersonic flight without using afterburners, as well as power a host of energy-intensive systems on board, such as directed energy weapons and advanced sensors. There are even discussions about enabling variable cycle technology, allowing the engine to adapt to different combat scenarios in real time. Development of FCAS is expected to proceed in several phases. The demonstrator for the NGF is slated to fly by around 2029, with the full system expected to be operational in the 2040s. While that might sound like a long time away, the complexity and ambition of this project make it one of the most forward-looking initiatives in defense. The overall budget runs into tens of billions of euros, with shared contributions from the three participating nations. The political and industrial collaboration involved is also seen as a strategic effort to boost European defense autonomy and reduce reliance on US platforms like the F-35. One of the fascinating aspects of FCAS is the emphasis on modularity and open architecture. The entire system is being designed to be upgradable over time, ensuring that it remains relevant for decades. This is a lesson learned from current generation aircraft, which often become obsolete due to rapid technological changes. By making FCAS adaptable, the partners aim to future-proof their investment and maintain air superiority well into the 21st century. There's also a heavy focus on sustainability and maintenance. The FCAS jet will include built-in diagnostic tools and predictive maintenance systems that alert ground crews about potential issues before they become problems. This is expected to reduce the aircraft's downtime and increase mission readiness. For the air forces operating these jets, this translates into more efficient use of resources and greater operational capability. In terms of weapons, FCAS is likely to carry a wide range of munitions, from advanced air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs and possibly even hypersonic weapons. Directed energy weapons like lasers or microwave systems are also being explored, especially for point defense against incoming threats such as enemy missiles or drones. The aircraft will likely feature internal weapon bays to maintain its stealth profile, while also having the ability to carry external payloads for missions where stealth is not a priority. One cannot talk about FCAS without discussing the challenges. Integrating so many cutting-edge technologies into a cohesive and reliable system is no easy feat. There have been reports of disagreements among partner nations over roles, responsibilities, and industrial workshare. Ensuring that all partners feel equally invested and rewarded is key to keeping the program on track. Political will and consistent funding will play a crucial role in determining the success of FCAS. Despite these hurdles, the FCAS fighter jet represents a major leap forward in the world of military aviation. It's not just about building a jet that can fly fast and avoid radar, it's about creating a smart, connected, and adaptable combat system for future conflicts. With near-peer threats growing and global security becoming more complex, projects like FCAS are essential for maintaining strategic balance and defense capabilities. So that wraps up our deep dive into the FCAS fighter jet and the broader future combat air system. It's one of the most exciting developments in aerospace, and it's going to be amazing to see how it shapes the future of air warfare. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.